Yo, Akuapem. Missy Akuapem yede. So what you say? Aha, ye Larteh Akuapem. Aha, ye Larteh Akuapem. Telephone man that one from now no down for one boys, one woman, everything some bro. I feel the experience. Everybody, you ain't see Kada. I rather win a mobile.
And we are trying to like boost the tourism aspect of Ghana.
And it's here in Akuapem.
Akuapem Larteh.
Akuapem.
Yes.
You know they see them running up. I didn't know to know you there. Couldn't put a member. Some will no overtake, no speeding. Follow the convoy. Hi, princess.
Fine, baby.
Hi, princess.
Yeah, Charlie. Listen, I wish say I get woman. Wait, the woman day here. I go drive my woman crazy, bro.
But what can self know they come?
Charlie.
Maybe one of your followers go feel.
Yeah, one of my followers go come. Yeah, that be the thing.
Yo, family, welcome to Larteh ATV Varina in the eastern region of Ghana. If you love adventure, views, and pure vibes, this is your spot. Ride through the valleys, conquer the mountains, and explore the beautiful tourist sites, and feel the fresh Akuapem air. Come with squad, your family, or your partner. The experience is different every time. Yeah, I'm a testimony. I've experienced this, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a great experience. I can't explain the moment or the feelings. You're gonna go there and experience it yourself. This is Akuapem.
All right, big man, what's up?
I do.
I mean, what be the name?
The name is Stanford they do.
I see some bikes before. Yeah, like ghost riders and they come here. Or we could talk with something. What is it about?
Something new we are bringing to the country. So I mean, we've already brought it.
Yeah,
so
sure.
it's something new we brought to the country, and we are trying to like boost the tourism aspect of Ghana.
And it's here in Akuapem.
Akuapem Larteh.
Akuapem.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the activities here?
So the activities basically we ride around, but we just don't ride around. We visit the tourist sites of Larteh. So we help embrace and then how do I say help to put Larteh out there. Larteh is a town.
Akuapem as a whole.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So basically that's what we are doing. So we just don't ride. We stop at tourist sites, and then we have a tour guide that explains to us what happens or how the site came about and stuff like that.
Okay. So what is the end? What's the end? Like if an bed drive here, I could see.
Oh, as for the end, yeah. It's so vast land. So we don't have a specific. We have so much roots near baby.
So are we gonna pass through the with valleys in
it depends. Like
as you said,
it's too much. And then you bet me for how you bet me for insume. You bet me could do baby I do the one beautiful view of the whole Accra city.
I see that vibe.
All that vibe.
So what was the price range like?
Okay, price range. So we have single and couple.
Which one is a single?
So as I said, single is like one person in the bike.
Okay.
And so if one person is in a bike and I know 750.
750.
Okay. 750. But when we say double, that's couple. Two people in a bike and 1,300.
1,300. Oh, okay. So that one with how many hours or how many minutes?
Okay, so we have 60 minutes and we have 90 minutes.
Okay.
Into 60 minutes for single, 60 minutes for single, 900.
Okay.
And 60 minutes for couple, 1,500.
All right. So apart from the cycling, what again are you planning to bring to this place or something like that?
So we are planning to bring accommodation. So basically we have little chalets inside.
Okay.
There we have a swimming pool. We have a gaming arcade area where we can play indoor games, arcade games and stuff like that. And then we also have an outdoor bar and indoor bar.
Okay.
So indoor bar will be up there, outdoor will be around here, and all those things. And then we would also have what else we have? A football court, tennis court.
Okay.
So many things.
Alright,
So we
alright.
have like a whole action packed in one
I see that
space.
thing. I see that thing. So can you put out your number or social media handles in case someone wants to contact you?
Okay, so you can find us on all social media platforms at Larteh ATV Arena. And our telephone number is 054-215-8724.
All right, big man, thank you.
Welcome.
Everybody, you're in three card. Everybody, we are mobile. My fire, bra. Hey, you're cool. You see me. I don't fear.
Oh, quoi? You are quoi?
Même quoi?
Quoi?
Même quoi?
Quoi?
Même quoi?
Quoi?
Hey, look me.
Quoi? Quoi? Usuro. Quoi?
Même quoi?
Quoi?
What do you want me to do? I'm going to come and say,
Wow, driving no
you
sound.
three card. Share.
That the teacher has seen over soup. Oh,
You three card.
Charlie, the nigga the feel.
What the heck? I didn't even know you there. You didn't go to me, bro.
Hey, Charlie. Hey, Radhe.
Everybody,
Radhe.
me dance.
Radhe. Today we reach was with a chill egg.
Charlie. Charlie, yeah, spark here. Then we handbrake need to be found from you. Do you know? We three card. I'm my.
You for call them.
Charlie, about my talk at the my. Yeah, spark when you do a three card. Oh, already. Basu, big man. Basu. Share. By my way, who do you know? Pacho, me who do I make handbrake in my spark about in India maybe.
Handbrake. Oh, yeah,
okay.
How do you have to buy?
Okay. Okay.
That's simple. Charlie, want go school there, yeah.
Okay.
Easy, baby. Easy, baby.
Easy.
Oh, baby, yeah, woman. Come on, you're making your family, every bro. Can't ride this thing, bro.
Yeah, Charlie. Listen, I wish say I get woman. Wait, the woman day here. I go drive my woman crazy, bro.
But what can self know they come?
Charlie.
Maybe one of your followers go feel.
Yeah, one of my followers go fit come. Yeah, that be the thing. Then I'm cemetery. Where they who are and I say well. Then the boundary for there.
Na san we am bakabia.
Actually, experience where there.
You wash.
Experience na me go.
What you know they see them running out. But them they ride though. It be you.
You're there for another fight.
It be you. Who overtake you? Ah well, someone say no overtake. Don't speed it. Follow the convoy. Hi princess.
Fine, baby.
Hi princess.
Ready? Akuapem yet there. Akuapem yet there. Akuapem.
The weather keke. To make you feel. You the bab.
The whole guy don't explore Akuapem. I'm going to explore Akuapem. Akuapem we go.
Akuapem we there. Akuapem we there. Akuapem we there.
I find out me. Let me check out.
Cemetery.
Challenge experience no who saying.
Charlie, this one I refuse say. Unya skabia, one will get an hour. Abusuafu.
Charlie, the shema body. Asa papo.
Well,
Akuapem. Missy Akuapem yede. So what you say? Aha, ye Larteh Akuapem. Aha, ye Larteh Akuapem. Telephone man that one. From now no down for no boys, no woman, everything's some bro. I feel the experience. Aha, yeah, Akuapem, bro. Me say Akuapem here day. One experience no. Mean to me can you see if I come here now one can be feel be first experience in him. So what you say? Oba fatade bien bra. Nya to me no me pese be to. We here na me do kwadu krumu. Fatade bien, what ba ko be riding no. Okwa na do ba ko. So what you say? You, ti aha ya Akuapem Larteh. Akuapem here there. Akuapem we are fan. Alright, so this will be the end of the video. If you subscribe, subscribe mommy. TikTok and Facebook so now follow bro. Me say me want fin. Me man company tadi bien e ba e. So what just my baby amba. Bro me ba amba na ma be room why. You go so calm and watch out.